Hi all, today we are going to discuss a topic from Knowledge and Curriculum, Unit 1, Epistemological Basis of Education. Under this, we are going to discuss the topic Types of Knowledge. The term epistemology means knowledge. Knowledge refers to facts, information, and skills acquired by a person through experience or education. It can be theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. It is awareness or familiarity gained by experience of a fact or situation. The fact of knowing information or what is already known, the whole of what can be learned or found out. It is assured belief, an information, an enlightenment, and practical skill or acquaintance. The word knowledge implies three things: truth, proof, and conviction. Knowledge never decays, knowledge is power. Knowledge can be gained from the following sources: through observation, thought, family, television, internet, books, institution, teachers, religion, friends, dreams, feelings, experience, etc. Let us discuss about the types of knowledge. There are 6 types of knowledge. They are priori knowledge, posteriori knowledge, tacit knowledge, explicit knowledge, propositional knowledge, non-propositional knowledge. The first type of knowledge is priori knowledge. Priori knowledge is the knowledge already exists in the mind prior to the experience, without observation of the physical world, something you know only through reason without finding out through the senses. For example, triangle has 3 sides. If Bob is bachelor, then he is unmarried. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Secondly, posteriori knowledge. Knowledge gained post or after experience. Something you can know by finding out through observation of the physical world and using your senses. For example, it is raining. I see it is raining. It was snowing yesterday. I remember it was snowing yesterday. It is raining in Canada. My brother can see it and tells me that it was raining in Canada. Thirdly, propositional knowledge. Knowing that something is so, has truth value, true or false or in between. For example, knowing your birthday, an author of the book, etc. Reading a manual of the computer book, memorizing the procedure but not applying it in actual. This is learning stage. Number 4. Non-propositional knowledge. It refers to other kinds of knowledge such as how to do something or some skills. They are conveyed in variety of ways. For example, what you have learnt in propositional knowledge, it is the time to apply here. Apply the knowledge doing in practical on computer. For example, music and dance also. This is action stage. Number 5. Explicit knowledge. The knowledge that can be communicated by using formalized language. Explicit knowledge or documented or encoded. It can be seen, it contains words, sentences, numbers, formulas. For example, textbook, encyclopedia, manual, blueprint, theoretical approach, problem solving, database, information, files and records. Number 6. Tacit knowledge. The term tacit coined by Michael Polanyi. Knowledge comes from practical experience and thinking is difficult to describe or transfer to other person and difficult to visualize. It is considered as intangible knowledge. It is undocumented. It is the skill or the talent which you acquire without the help or instruction by others. This knowledge becomes our routine, hobby or habit. For example, riding a bike, cooking without recipe, doing craft or models, etc. In this video, we have discussed 6 types of knowledge. They are priori knowledge, posteriori knowledge, propositional knowledge, non-propositional knowledge, explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. Now let us find what type of knowledge it is. The climate is so chill today. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. I memorize a poem but I don't know to write a poem. A spinster is an unmarried woman. My classroom has 3 windows. I learned the formulas but I can't apply it and do the sums. I can solve the puzzle with given clues. I read the manual and work the machine. I have learned these words in encyclopedia. Register, artist, I am good in playing piano. I hope this video will be useful for you. Let us see in another video. Thank you.